want to give a very special Happy Mother's Day to my mother and all the mothers out there. My happiest moments for me growing up were with my mother baking. So what better way to celebrate than making the very first thing I ever learned to make, sugar cookies. Or as my mother says, a biscuit. 2 of the 8-ounce blocks of Finlandia, white cane sugar. Get that party started. Add in 1 egg at a time. Vanilla, orange zest, rising agent, salt, a little bit of water, and last the flour. Okay, then we're just gonna scoop it out. Nothing beats fresh orange zest, and we're gonna let it chill. Delicious icing starts with delicious ingredients. Add in my cinnamon, confectioner sugar in there, and our orange juice, and our orange blossom water. So once I have dipped and iced and sprinkled, now it's time to make it personal. To get yourself a little bit of edible paint, and paint on favorite things to say to your #1 mother.